Good morning, guys, from Ukraine. I am now in Ukrainian village, and today we're going to talk about Ukrainian food. What is the difference with British food? Here in Ukraine, usually people eat very healthy and simple food. Now is feast, and many people do not eat meat. So here is the buckwheat. It's very healthy and Ukrainians like it much. In England you can find buckwheats in Polish shops, although I found not very good quality of buckwheats and it's not so tasty as in Ukraine. So now in Ukraine I eat buckwheats every day. Together with buckwheats, we eat a lot of salt vegetables, like zucchini here or tomatoes. It's typical Ukrainian food. Що це таке, Серафімчик? Що ти їсиш?
Лимончик.
Лимончик? From the old time, Ukrainians salt vegetables and fruits and keep them in cellar for all the winter. So now we're going to cellar for take pickle. It's look like this, the deep underground. Almost all people in the village has the same cellars, and they keep here potatoes, onions, apples, wine, as you can see, and different salt production like pickled meat, pears, tomatoes. As you know, my brother have some grapes and he is doing wine. When the war started, many people use underground for bomb shelter, but it's not so big, so I don't think that it's very suitable for bomb shelter. Hello guys, today is Sunday and the big Orthodox festival in Ukraine. It's called Благовіщення. Good news, 2000 years ago, Virgin Mary got a news that she's going to have a son and his name will be Jesus. We were in church. Now we came back and going to have a big lunch. So in 1 hour we're going to have some guests and many children with them. This salad called vinaigrette. It contains different vegetables. Like you can see peas, tomatoes, carrots, onions, pickled that we took from the cellar. So everything mixed up. Usually men in Ukraine making this salad. We add oils, some salt.
Не знаю. Може, грушу тобі дати?
In Ukraine, guys, people, especially in the village, eat natural products, not from supermarket, but from their field. So this onion was planted on my brother's field. Fantastic tomatoes from the field. So here we have a lot of different salads, salt vegetables and fish.
Христом Твоим жительству, не спасение нашего визна, и жертвы таинства явление.
Very nice place for children. They are just enjoying playing outside. It's already evening. Our guests are still there. We are living here by our ordinary life. We support our army and we hope for the best. So, greeting from Ukrainian village and see you in the next video. Goodbye.